Welcome back to the store, everyone. We're at Town and Country Village, Pottery Barn at Town and Country Village, and we have Anne here from Youtique Bridal. And once every season, once a quarter, we have an event in our store for our brides and grooms who've registered. The next event is going to be Sunday the 21st of October, that's coming up, and we're going to open the store especially for our brides nice and early. So we actually normally open at 12 through till 6 on Sundays, but we'd like to invite you here at 11:30 in the morning. I'll be here with refreshments, and please bring anyone in your bridal party, your parents included. We'll have something for the brides because Anne has a specialty business.
Yes, I have a DIY wedding veil kit that I will show you how to create your very own veil and make it something special and sentimental. So that was my goal, to get people creating again.
And I actually have another vendor, a very dear friend of mine, Peyton Moore, who's coming in, and she's going to be showcasing her business for custom men clothing. For those of you around Houston or out of town coming to Houston on a visit, once you go to our web page, if you scroll down to the very tip bottom and you click gift registry at the bottom, there is store events, and that'll bring you up with all of the events on at Pottery Barn at this store. We've decided to have a bridal brunch for the October brides. Anyone in fall that's getting married, in fact even into next year, is welcome to come and register. If you haven't done that, you can do that with me personally. And we're showcasing the event on our Instagram page for our store at Town and Country Village. We really look forward to seeing you there. If you can just RSVP, I'll be there ready and waiting for you to arrive on Sunday the 21st.
Yes, make sure you come in and just check out all the new things here.
We've got so many beautiful fall colours. The store has transformed. We've left summer behind now. The cooler weather is on its way, I promise. And as you can see, we've got all of our fall colours coming in. A prelude to Christmas, the warm colours coming through now, and we look forward to showcasing all of our new goodies when you come. Thank you, Anne.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you guys soon. Bye.
I love their faux fur throws and pillows, and of course their swivel chairs. A wedding decor favorite are these premium flicker flameless candles. The birch wax candles would be perfect for an elegant rustic wedding. Gisela, who's part of the Pottery Barn team with heart, will tell us a little bit more about them.
Okay, so basically you put the battery in, and once you put the battery in, this particular one, here's the timer. So if you click it onto the timer side, say you want them to come on at 6:30 or 6 o'clock at night, once you do that, you turn it on the first time at that time. Turn the timer button this way. And then once you do that, every night at 6 or whatever time you want them to come on, it'll come on for a good 4 hours. Then they shut off by themselves. And so you could have people come over and you guys are relaxing, having conversation, and all of a sudden they start turning on.
Well, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you this Sunday, October 21st at 11:30 a.m.